there's a couple different ways we can look at this problem. It says to increase the mean of 5 numbers by 2, how much would the sum of the 5 numbers have to increase? Increase means to go up. Mean is the average, which means we add up all the digits and divide by how many numbers there are. And then we want to know the sum. So a sum means we're adding together. So for a lot of students, it helps to choose arbitrary numbers. I'm going to choose 5 numbers. I always exclude 0 and 1. So A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 5, and we're going to go F is 6. Now it says that the average of these, so if I add these together, 2 plus 3 plus 4, plus 5 plus 6, there's 5 numbers. I'm going to divide it by 5. Let's see here. We have 2 and 3 is 5, 5 and 5 is 10, 10. So 5 and 5 is 10, and then there's another 10. This is 20. So I have 20 over 5 equals 4. So the sum of the 5 numbers right now, without any increase, is 20. I'm dividing by 5 because there's 5 numbers, and I get a mean or average of 4. Now up here it says we want to increase the mean of the 5 numbers by 2. And so instead of getting a mean of 4, we might want a mean of 6. So we're still going to divide by 5 because we're going to have 5 numbers. We're going to adjust these numbers so that when I add them up and I divide by 5, I get 6. Up here I'm going to put an X. And I want to know what number when I divide by 5 gives me 6. Some of you can just do mental math. Others will multiply both sides by 5. Opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. And X equals 30. Okay, so remember the original sum of the 5 numbers was 20. And now it is 30. So we had to increase by 10. So increase by 10. So the sum would have to increase by how much? By 10. Now other students may look at this and go, okay, so if the average is going to increase, the average or the mean is going to increase by 2, then each one of these would have to increase by 2. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times would also equal 10. So there's different ways you can think about this problem.